today we're going to be talking about how to search on YouTube. So if you just go into your browser and search up youtube.com. Oof, I spelled it wrong. youtube.com. So that's how you get that. And then this is on a laptop. Come up here and you can search whatever. So like, for example, if I want to know like how to make brownies, I'm just going to search that up. And I'm going to click enter. So I'll search it and then I can go through all of these things and see which one I want to do. So for example, this one, watch that. And then if you want to change it, so how to make maybe cookies, just change it and then click enter again. Enter. So yeah. And that is how you search in YouTube on your laptop. Okay, so now on a phone, you can open App Store and then you can get the YouTube app if you don't all have it already. So we're going to open that. And then there's some options in the top bar next to that menu icon. So you can click that and then type up whatever you want. So how to draw fish. And if you spelled it wrong, it'll have like autocorrect. And then you can just scroll down and look at all the options and click one. There's plenty of good options. And then if you want, you can pick another one. So I picked cookies and just scroll down. But yeah, basically the search bar is in the top menu bar. Also, if you want to go back, you can click that back button right there. But yeah.